People will never fail to surprise me. This kind of feels very, very familiar. Oh yeah, because this is our second lockdown. I don't understand. Is it that difficult to wear your mask, to social distance, to cough in your elbow? Is it that hard? Oh well, we love to see it regardless. I feel like this lockdown that we're going into is going to last well more than 6 weeks, if I'm being honest with you. So I decided to put together 50 things you guys can do to keep yourself occupied. So yeah. Try reading a book, because why not? You can try learn how to draw, and if you already know how to draw, you can refine your skills. Bruh, you can make tea or coffee, like whatever floats your boat, to be honest. You can FaceTime a friend and see how they're doing. What's up? You can save money for a rainy day. You can create a to-do list for the next day, because this will help you plan out your day effectively and get stuff done quickly. You can create a CV for yourself, because I know places will be hiring after this whole pandemic is over. You can practice playing an instrument, or if you want, you can learn a new one. You can drink more water and stay hydrated, you know? You can get creative and write yourself a story. You can go listen to a podcast that you may find interesting. You could try doing some origami. Like, this used to be my go-to back in the day when I was bored. I would just make paper airplanes and throw them down the stairs, you know, for the fun. Fam, you could just wash yourself, because let me tell you something, hygiene is key. You can just go to bed and just sleep. You can reorganize your space and make it look a lot more cleaner than it was before. You can watch a YouTube video, which is what you're doing right now. You can go outside and you can take photos of yourself or something else. This is something that I wish I did at the start of 2020. You could start a journal or write a diary to reflect back on. You could try eating healthy for a change. You could play some retro games that were a hit back in the day, or you can challenge your friends to beat your high score, you know? You can edit your photos. You can organize the apps on your phone. You can meditate, or you can do a few prayers. You could try learn cool pen tricks from YouTube. You can beat your siblings in a game of X and O's.
What?
You can cook something for yourself, cause why not? Bruh, you can learn how to juggle. This is something I always wanted to learn how to do. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel and give it a like while you're at it. You can practice writing with your non-dominant hand. You can sort out your wardrobe. You can blast music with your speaker. You can share this video to somebody that's bored. You can do a few stretches. You can sort out your spam in your email, because I guarantee you that place is probably like a jungle. You can fix your sleeping schedule and actually get to bed on time. You can clean your shoes. You can write a poem. Roses are red and the ocean is wide. Rice tastes better with Fanta on the side. You can do a few home workouts if you miss the gym like I do. You can learn some sign language. You can study and get some schoolwork done, you know? You can simply just spend more time with your family, since you're all together anyway. You can practice or learn a new language. You can go for a walk, but make sure it's within 5k of your house. You can make yourself a smoothie or a shake. You could do an online course and try learn something new. You never know, it might be your thing. You could try learn the alphabet backwards.
T-S RQP RM.
You could watch a TED Talk. You can try out different clothing combinations and you can improve your fashion sense. And finally, you can start a YouTube channel of your own. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what I did. And look where I am today. 600 subscribers. You dig? Boom. I've given you guys 50 things to do. Don't come back to me and tell me that you're bored. You know? There's 50 things there for you to do. So go and do them. Yes, sir. Obviously, thank you for watching. Stay safe. Peace. God bless.